Good morning children. Today we will discuss the topic trigonometric identities. Okay. Just as you have learnt about identities in your algebra topics, linear equations, polynomials etc. you have learnt, no? In algebra, not this year but previous years you have learnt the identities like a plus b the whole square will be equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, a square minus b square will be equal to a plus b into a minus b. All these were the different identities which you have learnt in algebra in your previous years. Now, here we are going to learn about the trigonometric identities. Okay. For that also, and these trigonometric identities are very useful for us to solve the questions. Okay. If you know the identities, then you can use the identity and solve the questions. Okay. Now, for trigonometric identities also we will take the help of a right angled triangle. Okay. Let the right angled triangle be ABC, which is having angle B as the right angle. Okay. So, then according to Pythagoras theorem, what can I write? According to Pythagoras theorem, what can I have my I can write the relation AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So, with Pythagoras theorem I can write this relation. Now, when I divide all these terms by AC square, so what do I get? You divide by AC square. So, I have AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square is equal to AC square by AC square. AC square cancels, it becomes equal to 1. Now, what is AB square by AC square? AB by AC with respect to angle A. Okay. So, with respect to angle A, with respect, any angle you can take, either A or C, does not matter. With respect to angle A, what is AB by AC with respect to angle A? What is AB by AC? It is adjacent upon hypotenuse, isn't it? So, we can write adjacent by hypotenuse the whole square plus what is BC square by AC square? That will be opposite by hypotenuse the whole square. Okay. Equal to, it will become equal to 1. Okay. Now, adjacent upon hypotenuse, it is what? It is cos square. है ना? Adjacent upon hypotenuse is the ratio for cos square A plus sin square A will be equal to 1. Now, with respect to agar C, if you see, what will be AB by AC? It will be opposite, that again sin C ho jayega. So, any one angle you can take. And BC by AC will become adjacent side for C. So, there also you will get cos square C plus sin square C equal to 1. Followed all of you? So, this is the basic identity which you can have. With respect to angle C, with respect to angle C, if you take this relation, it will be what? Opposite upon hypotenuse the whole square, because with respect to C, AB becomes the opposite side. है ना? यही relation को लेके अगर हम समझे तो it becomes opposite plus upon hypotenuse plus adjacent upon hypotenuse the whole square equal to 1 आएगा, because that AC by AC will become equal to 1. Now, with respect to C also, what is opposite upon hypotenuse? It is sin square C plus cos square C will be equal to 1. So, ये जो identity है, in general we can write it as cos square theta plus sin square theta will always be equal to 1. So, in general we can write this relation, and this is called as a identity, trigonometric identity. ठीक है, अब ये जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटी है इसको यूज करके हम दो और आइडेंटिटीज लिख सकते हैं, कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. बस इतना ध्यान रखने का, यहाँ पे भी थीटा यहाँ पे भी थीटा होना चाहिए. देन यू कैन पुट कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. ओके, फ्रॉम दिस वी कैन हैव कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. और इवन cos theta is equal to under root of 1 minus sin square theta, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay, also this is one way of expression. You can express sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, ये लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है, और you can have sin theta is equal to under root of 1 minus cos square theta. So these are all the different ways in which you can express this basic trigonometric identity. Okay, ठीक है, अब ये तो हो गया. Now if I divide this equation ab square plus bc square is equal to ac square by ab, then what will be the relation? Divide ab square plus bc square equal to AC स्क्वायर बाई AB स्क्वायर. पहले मैं AB स्क्वायर के साथ डिवाइड कर देती हूँ. सो व्हाट ऑब्जर्वेशन यू विल सी, AB स्क्वायर बाई AB स्क्वायर आ जाता है इक्वल टू प्लस BC स्क्वायर बाई AB स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AC स्क्वायर बाई AB स्क्वायर. मैंने तीनों को डिवाइड कर दिया AB से. सो AB स्क्वायर 1 हो जाएगा प्लस BC स्क्वायर बाई AB स्क्वायर. BC with respect to A, BC with respect to A will be opposite side. Okay, BC with respect to A will be opposite side and AB is adjacent side. So opposite upon adjacent the whole square is equal to AC upon AB. हाइपोटेनस तो है AC और AB क्या हो जाता है, adjacent. With respect to A we are talking. Okay, you can just mention here with respect to A we are talking. Okay, so 1 plus opposite upon adjacent is opposite upon adjacent, it will be tan A, tan square A equal to ये what is hypotenuse upon adjacent, hypotenuse upon adjacent. ये sec का हो गया ना, it will be equal to sec square A. Okay, so you got this 1 plus tan square A, it is equal to sec square A. This is another identity. Okay, with respect to A. Even with respect to C you will get it as tan square C plus 1 equal to sec square C. Okay, so it doesn't matter. In general what can we write? In general we can write 1 plus tan square theta will be equal to sec square theta. ठीक है, अब इस वाले में से what can you have the other ratios as? We can have sec square theta minus tan square theta will be equal to 1, ऐसे हो सकता है. और we can have tan square theta minus sec square theta will be equal to -1, ऐसा भी आ सकता है. ओके, और we can have we can also have sec theta equal to under root of 1 plus tan square theta. So anyhow you can make this equation. Followed all of you? Okay. Now coming to the next thing, that is divide AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square by BC square. अभी हमने AB square के साथ डिवाइड किया था. Now you divide it by BC square. So what will you observe? AB square by BC square. plus a BC square by BC square is equal to AC square by BC square. Okay. BC here it will get cancelled. Here you can have what is now again with respect to A, angle A, with respect to angle A. With respect to angle A, what is AB by BC? It will be adjacent upon opposite the whole square, okay, plus 1 is equal to this BC is opposite side of angle A. So, it becomes hypotenuse upon opposite. Okay. Now, opposite upon hypotenuse is sine. So, hypotenuse upon opposite will be what? It will be cosec. Okay. And adjacent upon opposite will be cot. So, you have cot square A plus 1 is equal to cosec square A. Cosec square A. Even with respect to C, you will get the same thing. Cot square C plus 1 will be equal to cosec square C. Followed everyone? Okay. So, this is how you will get the values. Again, in general way, we can represent this as 1 plus cot square theta will be equal to cosec square theta. That is, you have cosec square theta minus cot square theta will be equal to 1. Okay. Or you can have cosec square theta or cosec theta will be equal to under root of 1 plus cot square theta. ऐसे भी आ सकता है. So, these are different ways in which you can express the values. Okay. You can have cot square theta minus cosec square theta equal to minus 1, ऐसा भी आ सकता है. It depends on what is your question, how the question is being asked. So, this is the different identities which you have to remember. Okay. Please copy down every identity. Let us solve example number 12 in your textbook. Okay. It is given express the ratios cos A, tan A and sec A in terms of sin A. So, how will you obtain this? First you write cos A. ठीक है. cos A को हमें sin A के फॉर्म में लाना है. Now you know that cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. और इसके रिलेटेड हमने बहुत सारे एक्सप्रेशन भी लिखे थे. सो वी हैव टू एक्सप्रेस cos A. ओके. cos A you can write cos square A is equals to 1 minus sin square A. From this expression you can write. So that is cos A will be equal to under root of 1 minus sin square A. So हमारा फर्स्ट रिलेशन आ गया कि cos A should be expressed as 1 minus A in the form of sin A बोला है, तो any way it can be expressed. So cos A is equals to 1 minus sin square A. So this was the first one. Second, it is tan A you have to express in terms of sin A. Now tan A you know it is equal to sin A by cos A. तो ऑलरेडी न्यूमरेटर में तो हमें साइन मिल गया, लेकिन डिनोमिनेटर में हमें साइन नहीं चाहिए, कॉस नहीं चाहिए, साइन चाहिए. सो अगेन साइन ए अपॉन कॉस ए. अब इधर हमने लिखा कॉस ए इज व्हाट? इट इज अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर ए. तो हियर यू हैव एक्सप्रेस्ड योर टैन ए इन टर्म्स ऑफ साइन ए अपॉन अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर ए. मिल गया ना tan ए sin ए के फॉर्म में. नेक्स्ट इज sec a. अब sec a is what? It is the inverse of cos. So you can write sec a is 1 by cos a. Okay, and cos a का value you know it is under root of 1 minus sin square a. Again sec a also you got it in terms of sin a. Okay, तो ये मिल गया. Okay, now example 13 you see. What does it say? Prove that sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A, it is equal to 1 पूछा है. Okay, so let me write it first. Sec A into 1 minus sin A plus into sec A plus tan A. This part, this is your LHS part. Okay, it should be proved equal to 1. So how can we prove equal to 1? This basic idea you should be having in your mind. We cannot, every question will be different. There is no particular way of doing a particular question. For that you have to use all the identities which you have learned. Okay. Now sec A, can you write it as 1 by cos A? Now at least you have an idea ki equal to 1 tab aata hai when cos square A plus sin square A will be equal to 1. So we will try out various ways in which you can, maybe in the beginning you will not be able to do, but with practice you will be able to solve it. Okay. Sec A I have written it as 1 by cos A and this is 1 minus sin A. अब ये sec A को I can write it as 1 by cos A plus sin A को तुम क्या लिख सकते हो, tan A को लिख सकते हो sin A by cos A. So I make it everything in the form of cos and sin. Now ये इस फॉर्म में है ना, 1 माइनस साइन ए अपॉन कॉस ए है ना, साथ में ले लिया मैंने. दिस बोथ आर कॉस ए डिनोमिनेटर्स, सो आई कैन add the first the numerators, that is 1 plus sin A upon cos A. ऐसे लिख सकते हो ना मैं. Now 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A will become 1 minus sin square A, isn't it? A minus B into A plus B will be equal to what? A square minus B square. A square is 1 square minus sin square A. Ab cos into cos, it will be cos square A. Okay. 1 minus sin square A is what? According to the relation, 1 minus sin square A will be cos square A. Okay. So I can write cos square A by cos square A. This will be equal to 1 and that is equal to your RHS. Clear, no? So this way you should try out. First in the beginning you will find a little difficult, but as you solve the questions you will have the confidence and you will be able to solve it. Okay. So note down this. Now let us solve example number 14 and example number 15. So what does 14 say? Prove that cot A minus cos A upon cot A plus cos A equal to cosec A minus 1. Now let me take LHS. Okay, LHS, that is cot A minus cos A upon cot A plus cos A. Let me convert cot A into cos A by sin A, ठीक है, माइनस cos A ऐसे ले लिया मैंने. और डिनोमिनेटर ऑल्सो सेम थिंग आई विल डू, cos A by sin A प्लस cos A. इस तरह आ गया. अब हम यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हैं, cos A कॉमन है. ओके. और यू कैन इवन राइट इट एज दिस वे, cos A minus cos A into sin A upon upon sin A. okay. into, यहाँ पे भी मैं वही कर सकती हूँ, cos A अपॉन sin है ना, तो एलसीएम ले लो. यहाँ पे भी मैंने वही किया. सो आई हैव द डिनोमिनेटर एज sin A विल गेट, तो वो ऊपर चला जाएगा. एंड दिस आई हैव cos A इंटू नहीं प्लस cos A इंटू sin A, ऐसा आ गया. ठीक है. अब ये sin A कैंसिल आउट हो गया. व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग नाउ, cos A. अब इधर भी cos A कॉमन है इन द न्यूमरेटर पार्ट. इन द डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट ऑल्सो इट इज कॉमन. सो आई कैन रिमूव दैट cos A, नो. ऊपर से इन द न्यूमरेटर फर्स्ट विल डू, इट बिकम्स 1 माइनस sin A. Okay. Upon this will become what? Again cos A is common, so I take the cos A out into 1 plus sin A, ऐसे cos A, again cos A cancels out. Now sin A I can write it as 1 by cosec A, because cosec A जो होता है वो inverse होता है ना sin का. So 1 minus cosec, 1 by cosec A I can write, and here also I can write 1 by cosec A. ठीक है. So this will become what? Cosec A. इधर नीचे 1 है, इधर भी नीचे 1 है. If I take the LCM, I will get it as cosec A minus 1. Okay, cosec A minus 1 upon cosec A into this becomes, यहाँ पे मुझे cosec A I will multiply. So here I have upon में आएगा ना cosec A plus 1 upon cosec A, that will go into the numerator part. It will be this way, cancel. Okay, so what do I have? My final equation as cosec A minus 1 upon cosec A plus 1. ठीक है. तो इस तरह I have got my RHS, what I required I have obtained. So I got my RHS. ठीक है. So this is how you should be solving. Now let me take this question. Okay, sin theta minus cos theta plus 1. Sin theta minus cosec theta plus 1 upon sin theta minus plus cosec theta plus minus 1. ये जो है, this is your LHS. Now in this question, no, you have to prove this using 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. This identity, it is asked to use this identity. So let me convert first into that. Okay, tan and sec, if I want to convert, I have to divide the numerator and the denominator by cos. So I have sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, plus, no, it is not plus, it is minus cos theta by cos theta. Okay, plus 1 by cos theta upon, again I have sin theta by cos theta. I am dividing the whole numerator and denominator by cos. Why am I doing that? To convert it into tan and sec, because this is the identity which you are supposed to use. So sin theta by cos theta, here you have plus cos theta by cos theta minus 1 by cos theta. ठीक है. Cos theta cancels out here. Sin by cos is tan theta. So I got my equation as tan theta minus 1 plus sec theta. I got it this way. Okay, upon, what do I have here? Tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. ऐसा मिलता है मुझे. Now what is the next step you should do? You arrange it. Okay, therefore I have tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta, or you can write it as minus sec theta plus tan theta. Okay, now this term, no, this what you have written in your LHS, you should multiply it by tan theta minus sec theta in the numerator also and in the denominator also. Okay, tan theta minus sec theta. We have not changed anything, we have just multiplied the numerator and denominator by tan theta minus sec theta. Now what you do? You take these two terms together, that is tan theta plus sec theta. multiply tan theta minus sec theta with this and also with 1. Okay. So, what do I have now? My equation as I have tan theta plus sec theta, okay, into tan theta minus sec theta minus tan theta minus sec theta. I hope you understood what I have done. I have taken these two terms together, ठीक है, उसको हमने एक ब्रैकेट में ले लिया, that into tan theta minus sec theta and minus 1 into tan theta minus sec theta. okay. अपॉन नीचे वाला वैसे ही रखेंगे, tan theta, don't change anything here, okay, tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 and into tan theta minus sec theta. This becomes what? It becomes tan square theta minus sec square theta. हमने इस तरह लिया क्योंकि we have a plus b into a minus b form. So I have tan square theta minus sec square theta, ये हमें एक मिल गया, minus tan theta plus sec theta, ऐसा मिल जाता है मुझे, yes or no? okay. What is tan square theta minus sec square theta? Tan square theta minus sec square theta, from that identity I have it as, इसका नीचे वैसे ही रहने देना है, tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 into tan theta minus sec theta. okay. This becomes minus 1. So you have minus 1, okay, minus 1 minus tan theta plus sec theta. Yes or no? ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में I get it that way, okay, and denominator I have tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 into tan theta minus sec theta. ठीक है, ऐसे. अब यहाँ पे मैं है ना -1 कॉमन ले लेती हूँ, ठीक है, -1 I take outside the bracket, तो ये बिल बन जाएगा +1, ओके, tan भी हो जाएगा प्लस, बिकॉज हियर इट इज माइनस, आई हैव टेकन -1 कॉमन, ओके, सो प्लस tan थीटा माइनस sec थीटा हो जाएगा, ओके, अपॉन दिस विल रिमेन एज tan थीटा माइनस sec थीटा plus 1 into tan theta minus sec theta. It will be in this manner. Got it everyone? So -1 मैंने यहाँ कॉमन लिया है. Now do you see numerator and denominator are same? It is 1 plus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta. मतलब ये दोनों मेरा cancel out हो जाता है. Okay, what is remaining? I am writing it here. Okay, what is remaining? I am writing here. I am having it as -1 upon ये tan theta minus sec theta. ठीक है, अब ये -1 if I just apply it here, what will I get? 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta, and that is what we require as our RHS. Okay, so that is equal to your RHS. I hope it is clear. Okay, so one by one, stepwise you go, it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, so these were the examples which we have done. Next time we can take the exercise questions, or everyone should try out the exercise questions. The difficult ones we will do, the rest of the questions you can do on your own. Okay, so copy down everyone.